I know I have made like 3 or 4 videos of the Broan 3-ton heat pump already, but I have not made a video of the indoor unit yet. And just today I found out where the air handler was located. I'm allowed to film it, so I figured I'd film it. And there is no light in here, unfortunately. And it is not all that cold today. I mean, it's chilly, but it's like high 30s, low to mid 40s maybe. Not that cold. Not as cold as it has been anyway. So there's all the guts. And it has, I was just looking at the manual for the condensate pump. Diversitech condensate pump. Wish I had my flashlight with me. There's the instructions for the thermostat. And they have it set to 65 degrees. Which is a little cold for me. And because they have the door open, because they're doing maintenance on the building today, it's 63 degrees in here. So yeah, there's all the duct work, all the guts of the indoor unit. There's the filter. 16 by 20. Alright, I will do the outdoor unit again momentarily. Out. Last Monday when it was like 38 degrees and rainy, that would have been a perfect day to get a video of this unit defrosting. So here is the Broan again. 3-ton Broan Nordine heat pump, manufactured in 2011. And all this time I thought the air handler was up in the attic. It is actually in a closet in the building. Yeah, it's probably in the high 30s right now. Well above freezing. But as you saw 2 days ago, it does not have to be freezing or below freezing for a heat pump to freeze up. It just has to be cold and wet. That's so freaking muddy. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. Man, it is so damn muddy. Alright, out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.